How to join a group in Roblox. First of all, open up a Roblox application and make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in from your home page, you can either use the search bar at the top of the page to type the name of the group that you're interested in. But alternatively, you can click on the group tab. So for that, tap on the more icon at the bottom right, and here from the menu bar or this menu page, find an option as a group and tap on it. After that, group page will be opened up in your interface. There you can either click on the group to view its detailed description and activities, or again search for the group that you are interested in. Then tap on join group. On the group page, you will see a join group button, so tap on it. Then if the group has restrictions, you have to follow the provided instructions, and once you're in the group, now you can participate in the group discussion, events or game. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.